Hi guys, Dave's here. Today we're going to talk about what is a nail punch and how to use it. I've misplaced mine, so I bought this and at Harbor Freight, and it comes in three different sizes here: a 32nd, a 16th, and 3/32. So let me open it up here and I'll show you how to use them. Okay, as you can see here, I've got this nail in here and it's protruding a little bit here. You can hear it when I hit on it. Well, when you hammer down so far and you don't want to dent your wood up and everything, but you want to sink this nail in a little bit further. That's where these come in handy at. So you take the smallest one that'll fit the head of it, and then you can tap it down and now it's below it. That's what these are for. So now you can put you some putty over it or whatever. This is good for like trim molding and everything. You want to hide the nail and then put some putty over it and everything. So that's what a nail punch is for. Some people call them a nail setter, but I hope this helps somebody out. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.